Hello wonderful people, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install Movavi Video Editor on your PC and activate it for free. Yes, for free. So as you can see from my screen, I already have the Movavi Video Editor software on my desktop. As you can see, yes, I already have it on my desktop. I want to click on it and open with WinRAR. Okay, open with WinRAR. Okay, so simple and easy. And also I want you guys to note that before installing the software, you want to do what? You want to deactivate your antivirus. Yes, you want to deactivate your antivirus because it may block or interrupt the installation process. So if you have an antivirus, you want to deactivate it. Okay, so I'm just going to install it right now. So it has been installed successfully. As you can see, Movavi Video Suite 17 setup has been installed successfully. You don't want to open it. That's why you want to uncheck the run Movavi Video Suite 7. You want to uncheck it, then you click on finish. Now next thing you want to do, you want to go back to your file. You want to open it again, and also you'll see a folder called patch. You see a folder called patch, which is this right here. You want to extract it to the desktop. You want to extract it to your desktop. That's it on my desktop. And you want to open it and copy these two files. You want to copy it, then locate your Movavi Video Suite and locate it in your System32 file. So you want to paste all the things that you copied, the two files, you want to paste them here. Yes, continue. Good. Now you want to right click on the patch the Windows file. Right click on it and make sure you click run with admin, then you click on patch. As you can see, patching has been done successfully. So that is how you activate your Movavi Video Suite 2017. Now let's open it and see if it's working. Yes, just ignore this. It will only show you this for the first time. As you can see, it's working. That's been activated successfully. Let's open Video Editor. As you can see, it's working well. It's working successfully. Forget about the 7 days trial. It has been activated, so 7 days or not, it will also work. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.